Hey guys, welcome back. So today's topic is how to use if condition formula in Excel. So let's get started. So this basically is the syntax of if formula, and this is how we are going to use it. Okay. So let's say you are having this amount with you, and you want to calculate a bonus to be given to your employee based on that output. Okay, so the precondition for giving the bonus is if the bonus is greater than 1500. Okay, then you will give bonus of 5% on the amount. Okay, or total amount. So how do you achieve it? Okay, so the simplest way to do is either you can write like and conditional formatting and check wherever this data is having greater than 500, and then write a formula to calculate all those data having 1500 greater than 1500, then filter it out. So instead of that you can just write an if formula. So to in order to write a formula you need to type equal to if of, then open braces or just press tab. Okay, now the first parameter is logical test, then value if true and value if false. So what does logical test means? Logical test can be any expression. It can be a value, it can be any expression. It can be expression versus expression, it can be value compared to an expression, it can be expression compared to a value. Okay, so in this case we are just comparing a cell with a value. Okay, so let's say our logical scenario is if h4 is greater than 1500. Okay, in that case what needs to be done? If that is the case, then you will give, so if the value is greater than 1500, then what? Then you want 2% on this, 5% on this amount. Okay, so you will write 5% of this amount. Okay, so if the value is true you will give this amount, 5% of 1500. Okay, 5% of 1500. What if the value is false? If the value is false you will give nothing, that is you will give 0. Okay, now I will close the brackets and just press enter. You see that 5% of this is 76.5. Okay, so the bonus given to this person is 76.5, and you can just scroll this down. Okay, so in this case, okay, you can, instead of 1500 you can also refer to a cell. Okay, so I will just make it 1000. Okay, and I will change this to this, enter. Okay, so if you just drag and drop this, it will again show you this. Okay, so these are the different ways wherein you can use your if condition. I have copied some more if conditions, like to look over here, if a2 is greater than 100, okay, then your output will be within budget. Okay, I will just increase the width of this cell. So if a2 is greater than 100, you need to type in within budget, or else you need to have over budget, enter. So a2 is greater than equal to. So if you want to type not equal to or less than equal to, then you can just type less than equal to this way. And if you want to write not equal to, then you need to type this way. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can use your Excel options for if conditions. And in this case we are printing like if a3 equal to 100, then a3 plus a6 else blank. Okay, in a similar condition you can always connect to uh, compare two real values and then get the option. Okay, so in this case you see the output is false. Okay, it can give you true also, it can give you false also. So let's say if I give 0, then it will give me okay. So you can, in case your output for false condition is not defined, it will say false, or else it will say true if okay is also not given. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Comments in the comment section. Jai Hind, Jai Jinendra.